In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use secrets on Replit. Secrets on Replit are a safe place to store sensitive information your app needs to run, like API keys, authentication tokens, and database connection strings. Instead of hard-coding those values in your files, where they could accidentally be shared, secrets keep them encrypted and hidden, so you can develop confidently without exposing anything sensitive. Start by opening your Replit app. Along the top of the workspace, you'll see a row of tabs for different tools. To add the Secrets panel, click the plus icon to add a new tab, then select Secrets from the list. This opens the Secrets tool specifically for your current project, keeping everything neatly organized and separate from other apps. Inside the Secrets panel, you'll notice two main fields. On the left is where you set the name of the secret. Think of this as a short, clear label. On the right is the secret's value, which is automatically censored so the full content isn't visible on screen. That masking helps prevent accidental leaks while you're working or sharing your screen. To add a new secret, click the New Secret button in the top right. A small form appears where you'll name the secret and enter its value. Choose a name that's descriptive and easy to recognize later. Many people use short, uppercase names with underscores to keep things tidy and consistent. Then, paste or type the secret value carefully. Double-check for leading or trailing spaces and avoid adding extra characters like quotes. What you enter here should be the exact value provided by the service you're using. When you're ready, click Add. You'll see the new secret appear in the list, with the name on the left and the value masked on the right. If you've entered multiple secrets, this view makes it easy to confirm they're all present without revealing anything sensitive. If something looks off, you can always come back to this panel to review and manage your entries. A few quick best practices will help you stay secure and organized. Keep secret names consistent and readable so you know what each one is for at a glance. Never share screenshots of this panel, even though values are masked. If a value is ever exposed elsewhere, replace it at the source and update it here. And remember, secrets are designed to protect you from accidental leaks in code, commits, and logs. So use them for anything that shouldn't be public. That's it. Open your app, add the Secrets tab, and use New Secret to name it, enter the value, and click Add. You're all set to work securely.